So my name is Adriene Neal. I am the Director of X-celerator Coaching and Training here at Metro Brokers. I joined Metro Brokers in 2014 and I have been in the real estate business for 23 years. X-celerator is a training program designed for new licensees to learn the tricks, the tips, the conversations, and the technology that will help you get started in the business. And it is definitely a learn and do environment. You take what you learn in every accelerator session and all the conversations that you gain knowledge from along the way. You're going to plug that into your day-to-day business in real estate so that you can start having transactions. The accelerator training that we do is more involved in direct conversations and technologies that you will use in order to help you have transactions. We do have a post-license class that you will take that's not part of Accelerator. It is going to get you that requirement that the state of Georgia requires that you do, and you will learn how to write offers there. What we do in Accelerator is above and beyond that. We're going to help you make those connections with people, learn how to operate your real estate career like a business so that you have more of a steady stream of income, you have more steady clientele, you have all of the advantages of actually running a real estate business as opposed to, riding the roller coaster of a commission-based business. You want that steady flow. In the Accelerator program, we graduate over 100 agents a year into a full associate status so that they are capping agents and full-time in real estate. Once you graduate from the Accelerator program, you will still have coaching, training available to you all the time. We have coaches in the field. We still have workshops and we do programs throughout the company, making sure that you stay motivated, inspired, learning on top of all of the new advances in the industry and what's going on in the industry. So there's all of this training and coaching available to you all the time, no matter where you are in your career.